Ever wondered what happens to your waste after it leaves your home? Or how can we reduce the mountains of waste we produce daily? In our world today, the importance of waste reduction and recycling cannot be overstated. It's not just about keeping our surroundings clean, it's about ensuring the sustainability of our environment. Waste reduction and recycling solutions come in diverse forms, from recycling centers that collect, process, and sort recyclable materials to companies that focus on efficient waste collection and disposal. There are composting services that transform organic waste into valuable soil conditioners, and e-waste recycling businesses that recover valuable elements from discarded electronic devices. We also have waste-to-energy plants turning non-recyclable waste into energy, businesses creating new products using recycled materials, and consultants offering advice on waste reduction strategies. There's so much more to explore in this wide-ranging sphere, so let's dive into the world of waste reduction and recycling solutions. First up, we have recycling centers. These bustling hubs are the unsung heroes of our waste reduction and recycling efforts. They are the places where your recyclables, think paper, plastics, glass, and metals, are collected, processed, and sorted. Here's the magic. These centers ensure that materials are properly prepared for a second life, a reincarnation if you will. Think about it. That plastic bottle you tossed in the recycling bin, it could become a part of a park bench or even new clothing. The newspaper you read this morning, it might end up as the box that holds your next online order. All this is possible thanks to the diligent work done at recycling centers. The goal? To prevent these valuable materials from ending up in landfills where they can't be reused. So next time you recycle, remember the integral role these centers play in our battle against waste. Without these centers, many materials would end up in landfills rather than being reused. Moving on, let's talk about waste collection and disposal services. Imagine a world without them. Streets littered with refuse, waste mismanagement, and a significant increase in pollution. These services are absolutely essential. They systematically collect and transport waste, effectively separating recyclable materials from those destined for the landfill. This process ensures that every item gets a chance at a second life and reduces the negative impact on our environment. These services are our frontline defense against waste mismanagement. Next, we delve into the world of composting services. These businesses specialize in the decomposition of organic materials such as food scraps and yard waste. The magic happens when these biodegradable items are left to break down over time, resulting in nutrient-rich compost. This compost is more than just decomposed waste. It's a valuable soil conditioner that can be used to enrich gardens and agricultural lands, promoting healthier plant growth. And that's the beauty of composting. It's a great way to turn waste into a resource. Now let's explore the realm of e-waste recycling. In this digital age, we are surrounded by a plethora of electronic devices that make our lives easier. But what happens when these devices reach the end of their life? They become what we call electronic waste or e-waste. Yes, that old computer, mobile phone, or television you no longer use is e-waste. The problem with e-waste is that it's growing at an alarming rate. An estimated 50 million tons of e-waste are generated worldwide every year. This is where e-waste recycling businesses step in. These businesses are the heroes of the digital age, turning our discarded electronics into a treasure trove of valuable resources. They collect and process e-waste to recover precious metals like gold, silver, and copper. These metals can then be reused to manufacture new electronic devices, reducing the need for mining and its associated environmental impact. Remember, an old gadget is not just waste, it's a source of valuable metals. Ever heard of waste-to-energy plants? Well, these are ingenious facilities designed to convert non-recyclable waste into valuable energy, typically in the form of electricity or heat. It's a classic case of making lemonade out of lemons, or in this case, making power out of problems. The principle behind waste-to-energy plants is quite straightforward. By using advanced incineration technologies, these plants burn waste material at high temperatures and the heat generated is used to produce steam. This steam, in turn, drives turbines connected to generators and voila, we've got electricity. This approach is not just about generating power, it's also an effective way to reduce landfill usage. By transforming waste into energy, we're not only solving our waste disposal problem, but also contributing to our energy production. In a world where sustainability is the buzzword, waste-to-energy plants are a testament to our ability to innovate and find solutions to pressing environmental issues. Waste-to-energy plants turn a problem into a power source. Now, let's discuss recycled product manufacturing. Picture this, a world where waste is not just disposed of, but transformed into something new, something useful. This is the world of recycled product manufacturing. An old newspaper becomes a new notebook. Discarded plastic bottles are reborn as a sturdy park bench or a trendy backpack. Even scrap metal can find a new life as an elegant piece of jewelry. Recycled product manufacturing is about more than just reducing waste. It's about valuing and reusing the materials we already have. It's about fostering creativity and innovation, and it's about supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability. From recycled paper products to plastic lumber to upcycled fashion items, each product made from recycled materials is a testament to the power of resourcefulness and the potential of a circular economy. When you purchase a product made from recycled materials, you're not just buying an item, you're supporting a sustainable future. Every recycled product purchased is a vote for a cleaner planet. Let's move on to waste reduction consulting. In an era where sustainability is more than a buzzword, it's a necessity. Consultants play a pivotal role in shaping waste reduction strategies. They are the architects of sustainable waste management plans, helping businesses and organizations tread lightly on our planet. Consultants are the detectives of waste management, identifying the areas where waste generation is highest and offering effective solutions to reduce it. They advise on ways to recycle, reuse, and repurpose materials to the maximum extent possible, minimizing the need for new raw materials and the consequent environmental impact. Whether it's a small business or a multinational corporation, waste reduction consultants help in streamlining operations and making them more eco-friendly. They are the bridge between businesses and recycling centers, waste disposal services, and other solutions we've discussed earlier. Their expertise extends to the implementation of innovative technologies like smart bin and sensor technologies to optimize waste collection and reduce costs. Consultants are the strategic planners of waste reduction. Now that we've learned about these solutions, let's summarize the key points. We started with recycling centers, those vital hubs where our paper, plastics, glass, and metals are collected, sorted, and prepped for their next life. Remember, these centers play a key role in ensuring our used materials get a second chance. Then we discussed waste collection and disposal services. These are the companies that step in, separating the recyclable from the non-recyclable, and making sure each type of waste ends up in the right place. We also touched on composting services, the green thumbs of the waste world. They take our organic waste like yard trimmings and leftover food and transform it into nutrient-rich compost for gardening and agriculture. We can't forget about e-waste recycling, a growing sector that's tackling the challenge of discarded electronic devices. By recovering valuable metals and reducing the environmental impact of our tech habits, these businesses are making a significant difference. Then there's the fascinating world of waste-to-energy plants, where non-recyclable waste isn't seen as trash, but as a source of power. These facilities are helping to reduce landfill usage while contributing to our energy production. Next, we highlighted businesses that create new products using recycled materials. From paper goods to plastic lumber and even fashion items, these innovators are proving that recycling isn't just about waste, it's about resourcefulness. Waste reduction consulting also plays a key role. By offering advice on sustainable waste management plans, these consultants help organizations minimize their environmental impact. We also talked about smart bin and sensor technologies, which optimize waste collection schedules and educational initiatives that spread the word about the importance of waste reduction and recycling. Circular economy startups, waste auditing services, plastic recycling innovations, and community-based recycling programs are all part of this amazing ecosystem of solutions aimed at reducing waste and promoting recycling. Remember, every step we take towards waste reduction and recycling makes a difference for our planet. Each of these solutions is a piece of the puzzle, and together they create a picture of a more sustainable future.